vaccination centers of Delhi, preparations are underway for the free HPV vaccination drive by the Union government. The HPV vaccine is an important step for the prevention of cervical cancer among women. Experts say that early vaccination can save thousands of lives, which can help reduce India's high burden of cervical cancer.
The Union Health Ministry is set to roll out a 90-day nationwide human papillomavirus vaccine campaign in a push to prevent cervical cancer in females. The vaccination will be voluntary, free of cost, and will target adolescent girls aged 14 years across the country. In the first phase of the campaign, single dosage of Gardasil vaccine followed by integration into routine immunization program for 9-year-old girls will be followed.
HPV is human papilloma virus. So this is one of a dangerous virus which causes multiple cancers. HPV vaccine is a vaccine which neutralizes this virus. So it's indirectly the vaccine is given and the viruses are neutralized. So to avoid many cancers, this vaccine is recommended.
India bears almost 1/5 of the global burden of cervical cancer and ranks as the second most common cancer among females in India. Approximately 1.25 lakh cases and around 75,000 deaths recorded each year. Experts say that even a single dose of HPV vaccine can be helpful in preventing a large number of these cases.
This is definitely effective if you're taking the vaccine as early as possible. As government recommend and the health experts, earlier the better. Between 9 to 14 years is the age where the vaccine has to be taken preferably. And it is effective, it is avoiding 90 to 95% chances of occurrence of the cancer.
The campaign will target 1.15 crore girls annually and will be digital in nature. The slots for the vaccine will be booked online using the iVin Vaccinator app. Since indigenous vaccine await WHO approval, US-based Gardasil vaccine will be used for this phase. This is Alishka Lakwal with camera person Anand Divedi, Isomes News, Delhi.